Yo, what's up everyone? For today's video I will show you how to dismantle and install a full-out kitchen faucet like this. So my faucet it started to leak continuously, so that's why I'm going to replace a new one. Okay, watch this guys. These are the tools you need: screwdriver, adjustable wrench, basin. So to begin with, you need to remove all the items, supplies underneath your sink before you start working, so you have lots of room to work. Alright, it's clear. So we're now ready to work. Okay, first step, turn off the water supply valve before you start dismantling the faucet. Step 2. Disconnect the water supply line. So I'm using an adjustable wrench to loosen it. Make sure you have a basin to catch the water inside the hose. Okay, one down, one more to go. Make sure you empty all the water in the hose before you pull out the entire assembly. Step 3. We're gonna remove the pull-out hose from the connector. You need to push this up, this black one, and then pull. Same thing on the top. You need to push that down, the white one, and then you pull it. Okay, let's do this. Push this up, then pull. Okay, let's do it again on the top. Push this down and then pull. Okay, there you go. Step 4, we're gonna remove the weight hose. Just press this one, then take it out. There you go. Next, to remove the faucet assembly, as you can see, there's an Allen screw here. This one, that one. We're gonna loosen it. After that, you can now remove the faucet assembly. Okay, we have another one here. We're gonna unscrew this to remove the mounting plate, the escutcheon, and then we're good to go. Alright, we're done dismantling the faucet. It's time to clean this up before we install the new one. Okay, unboxing time. So this is my new Glacier Bay pull-out kitchen faucet. Let's check this out. Alright, so the manual is here. Yeah, this is the hoses, the escutcheon, the mounting plate, and the gasket. And this is the weight clip, weight hose clip. This one is the clip. It's a weight hose. Alright, and this is the entire assembly, the faucet assembly. Alright guys, we're gonna install this, my new kitchen pull-out faucet. As you can see, I have a 3-hole in my sink, so we're gonna put the escutcheon here, or the mounting plate with a gasket, so to cover the hole. So right now we're gonna insert the hoses through the hole. Alright, and then insert the entire faucet assembly. There you go. Installation step 2. We're gonna secure the faucet assembly. Gonna put the washer first onto the threaded mounting shank, and then next thread the nut into the mounting shank, lock the nut into position, and then we're gonna tighten this, and make sure do not over tighten. Okay, I'm going to tightening the screw again. Make sure do not over tighten. Next, we're gonna install the weight hose or the weight clip at the front of the hose marking. So after this, we're gonna attach the quick connector to the receiving block. So we're gonna push this quick connector firmly upward and then attach it to the receiving block. Pull down, make sure to ensure the connection has been made. Next step, we're gonna connect the water supply. That tag, you need to connect that to the hot water. Okay. Thread the nut on the supply line onto the outlet of the water supply bulb, and then tighten with a adjustable wrench or any wrench, and make sure do not over tighten. I'm gonna tightening the nut. And after this, we're all good. Again, make sure don't over tighten the nut. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hope this video help you guys, especially to those who don't have experience doing this. Please subscribe for more video. Alright, time to turn on the water supply valve. We're all good. Turn the water supply valve on. Okay, we're almost done. Flushing time. We're gonna check if there's some leak. And then we're all good. We're gonna let the water run to clean the hoses. So okay, we're gonna check if there's some leak. We're gonna clean the hoses. We're gonna flush the water. Okay, let's check underneath the sink. There is a leak. So everything is good. Job done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. Have a good one. Peace.